Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the low beam headlight bulb on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. Alright, so as you saw there, I've got a burnout low beam headlight bulb here. So what we're going to do to replace that is come around here to the driver's side door. Right inside the door here is our lever to access your gas cap. Right inside that is your lever to pop the hood. Then we'll go around to the front. Right above the H here, there's a lever. You're going to push that to the side, then pull the hood up and go ahead and prop it up. So fortunately on this vehicle, the passenger side headlight is a lot easier to get to than the driver's side. This is the same process for both sides, but on the driver's side, you do have to pop off this clip and remove the air intake. And to really get better access, you have to take the battery out. Now, thankfully, on this side, you have a lot more room to work. So this is where the wiring harness is clipped on to the back of the socket. Now, there's two ways you can get this off. You can kind of pry this with a flathead screwdriver and push down at the same time, or you can get your hand through here any way you can, and you're just going to push down on this button and pull down at the same time, just like that. Now we're going to take the light bulb and I'm going to rotate it counterclockwise a quarter turn and then just pull it out. So here is the replacement bulb you need. It is H11. I'll put a link to these under the video in the description if you want to check them out. So we're going to take our bulb, put it in here, and we're going to start it again, turned a quarter turn counterclockwise toward the passenger side. We're going to press that in and then turn it clockwise a quarter turn till you feel it snug up. Then we're going to take that wiring harness and press it back onto the back of the socket. You'll hear that click in place and you're all set. So that's it. You've got your low beam bulb replaced. Hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.